Hey Rocketeers, in this video we're going to learn how to stand up in the water after you've been floating on your back or swimming on your belly, floating on your belly. Any way you have been swimming and you need to recover or dismount from whatever you've been doing, that's what you're going to learn here today. When you're on your back, the best thing you can do is sit up in the water, kind of like you're sitting up in bed. Drop your hips underneath your belly, bring your knees to your chest, and pick your head up. I'll show you. Watch this. Pick your head up in the water, sink your hips, and draw your knees to your chest. Once you're here, you'll find that you can just place your feet right down on the ground. I'll show you again. Floating on your back, lift your head, bring your hips underneath your belly, and draw your knees to your chest. You might also redirect the water downwards with your hands. That will help. If you redirect the water downwards with your hands, that will also help you get up without any water splashing over your face. So I'll redirect water downwards with my hands. I'm going to pick my head up, sink my hips underneath my belly, and draw my knees to my chest. Then you just place your feet flat on the ground. From your belly, what you'll want to do is draw your knees into your chest first, then lift your head. So the order is a little bit different. Draw your knees to your chest first, then lift your head and press down on the water with your hands. Okay? Now, I also recommend that you do this with your hands out in front to start, not behind you. So I'll show you floating in the water on my belly, hands out in front. I'm going to draw my knees to my chest first, then lift my head. From here, I'll stand up and place my feet flat on the ground. I'll show you again. Draw your knees to your chest, then lift your head up and place your feet flat on the ground. And it's that simple. Thanks for watching this video. If you appreciate it, splash that like button, subscribe to the channel for free, follow us over on our other social media channels for other clips and shorter tips throughout the week. Also check out our merch store, and I'll see you in the next video.